What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here to show you guys this awesome little truck that I got off Amazon, the PX Toys 9301-1. Does come with LED headlights, but you get this light bar with the -1 series, and I think the color is different too. The 9301 is just white, and this one has a little red on it and all with white accents. So difference in color indicating which version you have, I guess. And this thing is really awesome. Really nice looking hobby grade vehicle, entry level hobby grade, of course. It doesn't have a brushless motor. The motor is brushed, but everything including the servo, the steering servo, is proportional. So proportional speed and proportional steering on this little guy. It comes with 2 batteries. So this battery here is 850 milliamp hour 7.4 volt battery. So this is a 2S pack, and it can be charged with your hobby grade charger. I think I will switch this out for an XT30 on here on the truck and on the batteries. It comes with 2 batteries, as I said, and this thing comes fully ready to run. It also comes with a full set of 3 AA's for the transmitter. Exact same transmitter for this one as the other one, so probably the same protocol, more than likely. But it's misty and wet out here, so let's get this thing running so you guys can check it out. On and off switch on the same side over here. Have a look at it. So check it out. It does have headlights, and that light bar looks really nice. The wheels are a little smaller on this little vehicle here. That's full speed on it, I believe. Hold on, let me check it and see. The throttle. Yes, the throttle was all the way up. So that's full speed there. The remote does have steering trim. It has reverse switches for the steering and the throttle. It has throttle trim, and it has steering rate. So you can turn down how hard the turns are. You can adjust the throttle to make the throttle slower, make the vehicle slower overall for some smaller children. And this thing is pretty nice. Of course, we're running it in the wet environment here. I will not suggest that you fully submerge this thing in water. Just as I say that, I run through a puddle of water. That shouldn't be any problem though. Just splashing. Splashes should be okay. It's a brush the motor. So seems like in the rain this thing is not going to flip over. Do all the sliding you want to do with it. It's just not going to tip over. That's the brakes. Let's see how fast it goes in reverse. So definitely a lot of fun for a beginner, entry level, hobby grade. Yeah, do a little drifting on it. So pretty cool little vehicle. Comes fully ready to run with 3 AA's for this transmitter here, and 2 batteries to run this thing. 850 milliamp hour 2S packs. It's the PX Toys 9301-1 off Amazon. Thanks for watching.